With the project open, you can select a scan from the scan group list, which will take you into the real view as captured by the cameras on the Leica BLK360. With the iPad Pro, you can touch and drag to rotate the view and pinch to zoom the view. At the bottom of the view is a toolbar where among the options you can switch to a map view of the scan. The map view will display a plan view of the captured area and is a good way to review what areas are captured and what areas were obscured to this scan. The map view can be reviewed on-site immediately after a capture to validate the capture plan and to offer information to help with a decision to modify the capture plan. Returning to the real view, you will see that along with the space and any objects that were captured, entities called mirror balls are displayed, indicating where the scanner was positioned for other captures in this group. Selecting the display option in the toolbar, you can change the size of the mirror balls in the scene to make them easier to select or to reduce the interference with the view. The display option also has a touch control for changing the units used for measuring in the scan. Selecting the distance icon again will remove the secondary toolbar from the display. Under the Tools option, you can add a note to the scan by selecting a location and adding a title and information. An existing photo can be added to the note, or if you're adding notes in the field, you can use the camera to take still pictures to add to the note. Selecting the checkmark will close the note and add it to the scene. Measurements can be taken by selecting points in the scan, and you also have the ability to add markups. This information will be stored with the session and can be reviewed later. Any scan can be shared as a JPEG image for others to review by email, social media, direct messaging, or a number of other options. Selecting another mirror ball in the current view will change the real view to that scanning position. Annotations that were added will be visible if they are within line of sight. Selecting any scan from the list will switch you to that view. This makes it quick to navigate across any number of scan positions. The area that displays the list of scans can also be used to show annotations, images, and project settings. Selecting any of the annotations will return you to the scan that they were added to so they can be clearly displayed from that point of view. When you're finished reviewing scan data, you can return to the capture screen.